Divine transformation and connection, advancing to the second phase of Ascension with Archangel Michael. Good morning, beloved brothers. We begin this week charged with powerful energies. On Thursday, June 20th, we have the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere and the winter solstice in the southern hemisphere. Afterward, on June 21st, Friday, the sun enters Cancer. As we know, Cancer is a water sign and embodies the energy of the divine feminine as a leader and high priestess. On Saturday, June 22nd, we will experience a full moon in Capricorn. Today, the beloved Archangel Michael shares with us his message about new insights on how you relate to your experiences, empowering you to feel more connected and free in creating the life you are living. The frequencies available to you now are significantly different, higher, and more expansive. These energies are flowing through you, recognizing every cell in your body and illuminating you. You came to Earth with intentions shaped by your unique set of experiences and the frequencies you felt you could contribute to a golden future. As you open more fully to embody your own higher light, these light-born capabilities and open energies within you activate and begin to infuse and emanate from your presence. I, Archangel Michael, suggest practicing being present in the moment, calling back all your energy from wherever you've left it and bringing it back to you. It's crucial to live in the present moment, centered in your heart and aware of your true self. By being present, you allow yourself to have it all. I urge you to realize that you have abundant resources right now. You are available for everything that promotes your success. Everything you've created flows in form and experience when you are aligned, clear, and open to this transformative flow of light and energy. The experience of embodiment moves towards a heart-centered experience and a conscious flow. By being aware of this, you can be still and feel the radiant center of your heart. Feel it emanating from you. Feel your inner smile. Feel the glow of your own conscious heart. From this radiant glow, you are aware of your own perpetual flow. This can release a sense of balance and well-being, a feeling of harmony and wisdom, a sense of divine order, and the enlightenment of your consciousness. From this profoundly perfect, balanced, and satisfying energy, which is the energy of your own being. Life is always happening through you so that you may thrive, soar high, feel joy, feel your true self, and be in unity and communion with life. This new life becomes fluid and graceful. You will feel at peace and will enjoy the energetic qualities you favor most. These states of being will become more accessible to you. You need to feel aligned. You need to focus on the present and feel your own inner flow of light and vibrancy. Get used to harmony, peace, tranquility, and the balance of what is here for you now. Let these energies tune in, allowing you to feel the ease of it and really get used to living in that state of peace. Open yourself to this inner flow, and the rest will naturally follow. The more you allow yourself to be at peace and in this state of tranquility, balance, and harmony, the more you will become accustomed to the flow, gradually making it a new normal for your well-being. Abundance is now your stable state of being. We celebrate your completeness. I am Archangel Michael, along with the Council of Radiant Light and the Galactics. This is a great message to understand and comprehend. Do not try to understand others. Try to understand yourself, as we are a universe in miniature. Only in you is the entire map of existence. Today's decree: I am growing, and I choose to believe that the daily miracles happening to me are leading me to achieve an improved version of myself. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light serving on Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you dearly. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.